Today we are going to unbox the Nike Mind shoes. So before we do that, a little bit of a backstory behind how I got this shoe and where I got this shoe. So I had no idea what Nike Minds were before I actually entered the Yorkdale Nike store. But when I entered the store, I saw this shoe on display. It's like a big grand display talking about the technology and how they're a really good recovery shoe. Well, me as a personal trainer and on my feet all day long, I'm always looking for comfort. I'm always looking for recovery. So I thought, why not look at these shoes and the technology of these shoes? They look different, they look cool, but are they really gonna do the job? Are they really worth it? We're gonna find out. So let's unbox these babies. I waited to do this video before trying these shoes on or before using them at all. So we're gonna do an unboxing together. Let's go for it. All right. They're nice and new and crisp. Here they are. Look at the bottom. So I got the black and orange pair. There are a few different colors, but there aren't many sizes left and they are pretty exclusive. So I was very lucky to get my hands on my size and this shoe. Michael, unfortunately, was not able to as they were fully sold out. So again, this is at the Yorkdale store. They had a limited supply left. Apparently, when these shoes came out, they were pretty much sold out within a week or immediately. So again, I'm very lucky to get my hands on these shoes. So at just first glance, I do like the look of the shoe. I like the black and the orange as well coming through. I also like the Nike symbol on the shoe here, and I like the back. The back says Nike Mind, so I think that's a nice, cool touch to it. So I do like the aesthetic of the shoe, but is it actually going to work is the real question. At the bottom of the shoe, they're like squishy balls. That's probably the best way to describe it. And when trying them on in store, they felt kind of weird and they felt different. But I'm going to really try them out to see how they feel. Apparently, when I was looking up the shoe a little bit more, it's good to wear for about 2 hours to get that recovery in, and typically after a workout or prior to a workout. And it kind of acts like a self-massager. So I'm going to just take out the paper in this shoe, and I don't know if you can see, but the insole there, you can kind of see the balls as well in the insoles, and it's supposed to have that connection to your mind and really release pressure points in your feet. So is this all a gimmick? Well, we're gonna find out. I'm going to wear these shoes for about a week and then come back here and report to you guys if they're really worth it. So let's see, and I look forward to touching base with y'all soon. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below.